PRE. How are you today? Welcome to the March Assembly. We're going to do some celebrating of our awardees for the month of March, which is for, well, I'll let Student Council tell you what it's for. And we're going to encourage those students from 3rd to 6th ISAT, and we may have some others. Get your hop on! It's time!
Hey guys, it's March. You know what that means? That means ISAT. The ISAT is here. But guess what? I'm not afraid. You guys have been working hard all year, and you got this. So let's go. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey PRE, I just wanted to remind you that here at PRE we follow the Spartan way. We are respectful, meaning that we treat everybody the way we wish to be treated. We are responsible in our classrooms, turning in our work, doing everything that we need to do. And we are safe in all areas, whether it's on the playground, the cafeteria, or in our classrooms, or in the hallways. And we are kind in everything that we say and everything that we do. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hello, Priest River Elementary. This is the Student Council President and the whole Student Council. This month's character trait is grit and determination.
Grit means to stick through and follow through with it, never give up.
And determination means you're determined to finish a goal.
Determination is even when you fail, you try again. Grit and determination.
ISAT test is coming up. You guys can do it.
Priest River Elementary, nice to have you with us for the awards ceremony. This month's character trait, of course, is grit and determination, as you heard our student council explain. So I am so pleased to announce our awardees for this month who receive a certificate and a movie ticket to the Roxy. Let's start with kindergarten. Our kindergarten awardee is a driven student who has worked hard at making kindergarten year a successful one. He's faced some challenges this year, but he never gives up and he works hard each and every day. Congratulations, Jameson Stark. Come on up, Jameson. Wonderful job, my friend. You can stand right here, sir. Good job, bud. Step forward just a tad. Good. Our first grade awardee shows grit and determination every day in his schoolwork. He doesn't give up when he has a problem. Instead, he keeps trying to figure things out until he solves them. Way to show grit. Clark Willette, come on up, buddy. Awesome job. So I'm sorry, sir. There we go. Okay, second grade. The second grade awardee is a hard worker. No matter the project or subject area, she continues to push herself to always do her best and to keep working. Because of her diligence and hard work, her reading level has gone up. Great work, Gracie Freeman. Come on up. Nice job, Gracie. Trade places with you, Mr. Jenkins. Third grade awardee exemplifies what perseverance is. He is worker diligently. He works to do his very best. He reads and rereads a question, and he tasks to make sure he clearly understands what he's supposed to do. He understands thoroughly that with perseverance comes great rewards, both in life and in academics. Congratulations, Carter Blackburn. Come on up. Wonderful job, sir. Our fourth grade awardee shows perseverance and grit every single day in the classroom. When things get tough, she pushes forward. She continues to try until she gets it right, and she never becomes frustrated. Through her perseverance, she improves every single day. Congratulations, Naya Lamb. Come on up. Nice work. Ooh, okay. Fifth grade awardee shows grit and determination. especially when it comes to the environment. She works hard to achieve her goals and is always figuring out ways to make things better. She also deals with adversity in a very positive way and never lets others bring her down. Congratulations, Maria Sanchez. Come on up. Boom. We are so proud of y'all. Let's see, we're going to have to scrunch a little bit to make way for our 6th grade awardee. Here we go. This individual is fueled by a competitive nature, not only to try and push, but to push himself hard, to be his very best in all things. Congratulations, Jacob McCaffrey. Come on down. Nice job, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, join me in thanking our award winners. Nice job, everybody.
Congratulations!
Carrie's class. I hate to interrupt, but we have an announcement. Can everybody do the foot stop for me? Because Miss Carrie's class won! Yes!
Congratulations, Miss Carey's class!
Good job, everybody.
It's awesome! It's gonna be awesome! Yay!
Nicely done, guys.
Thank you for my beautiful attire. I appreciate it.
Well, hi, Mrs. McMahon. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you, Mrs. P?
I'm really good, and I'm really excited. You know what time of year it is?
I sure do.
It's ISAT
Yes,
time. What on earth? Mrs. Riddle. Hi, Mrs. Riddle. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Then you have a
I'm Mrs. Hairface.
no.
Oh.
Mrs. Riddle, it's time for our ISAT time. And we need to show everyone everything that we know. And we can't do that if we're making noise.
Come on, focus.
Oh.
Yeah, can you get your mask on?
There you that's better. Oh, now you look like the Mrs. Riddle that we know.
That's ready to go take her ISAT.
She's ready to stay focused. She's ready to stay quiet during test taking.
She's ready.
ARE.
Oh, sorry. And what's that?
ARE, always read everything.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. That will help you
Read
do
the
your
questions.
best.
Read the questions. Read the text. Read the directions first. Read all the answer choices.
All of them?
All of them.
Okay.
Always read everything.
Before you
Not
pick it.
not
Yeah.
just pick the first one.
No,
Okay.
everything.
Right. Okay. So you're going to do your best.
Yeah.
And you're going to try really, really hard.
Yeah.
You're going to take your time.
Yeah.
Deep breathe if you start to feel frustrated.
Okay.
Use your reading strategies.
Shouldn't I? What if I
No,
need to?
if you you're
Not
going to
during the
ask
test.
for a break if you feel like you need
Oh.
the wiggles or maybe
I can have a break?
yes, you can have breaks. Yes, absolutely. What is that? Oh my goodness, do you know what time it is?
I think it's time to
to
ISAT.
go.
Time to
It's time to
go.
go take the ISAT. But you know what, boys and girls?
We believe in you. Bye.
Bye.
Is that a good plan or not?
No, that
Go.
Test taking tips by 4th grade. Get 9 to 11 hours of sleep the night before a test.
Eat a healthy breakfast in the morning and drink plenty of water. Drinking H2O calms the nerves and helps you focus.
Arrive at school on time so you don't feel rushed.
Have a positive attitude and motto, woohoo, I've got this.
Read all directions. Check all correct answers. And answer choices before you pick the best answer. Corn is a vegetable. Pork is a meat. Pizza is a fruit. Milk is a dairy.
Eliminate the answer choices that don't make any sense. Don't spend any more time thinking about those. Pizza is a fruit? No.
Do a quick and quiet brain break if you notice that you are starting to lose your focus.
Review and check all the work after you've answered all the questions, and don't leave any blank. Corn is a vegetable, pork is a meat, milk is a dairy.
Do your very best.
Go Spartans!
Oh, there's one.
Woke up early, not late, ate my breakfast at 8. My chat skills are great, and nothing's in my way. I grab my bag and I'm gone to the annex, come on. My test face is on, and nothing's in my way. My teachers are glowing, and their smiles are showing. Confidence is growing. Where's my eyes to this baby? Hey, I have reviewed, and now I'm ready. So where's my eyes at? Just test me, baby. It's time to give my answers like crazy. So where's my eyesight? Just test me, baby. Hey, I have reviewed, and now I'm ready. So where's my eyesight? Just test this, baby.
Hello, PRE. I'm Liam Pettit, and I'm going to read an essay I wrote about responsibility. Responsibility is a huge characteristic found in PRE. We value responsibility and encourage it every day. We have a lot of ways we show responsibility, such as turning in your homework on time, but most of the responsible things we do is make sure we're responsible to ourselves. The way that we show responsibility to and for ourselves here at PRE is we take pride in everything we do. We take the blame for ourselves and not make our friends take the blame. When we do something, we give it 110% no matter what. If you don't like the subject, like history. Most people don't like history because it had nothing to do about what we do. We need to have more responsibility for ourselves, and we can show it another way by helping someone if they don't necessarily like the person and you get put with them. If you see someone getting bullied, even though we don't like bullies at PRE, but you're going to walk away like it didn't happen, you should get an adult no matter what. Sometimes telling is the most responsible thing to do. Spartans are responsible and we take responsibility very seriously. To sum up, responsibility is one of the things a lot of schools lack in the department except PRE. We take care of our school and our peers and teachers and staff. We turn in our homework even if it's in a lousy subject. Responsibility is key to the schools. We have a mess in the lunchroom. We pick it up. that's being responsible. When someone uses responsibility, that shows other schools that they should be responsible too. The greatest gift that you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence.
Hi, PRE. I hope I can get through this without getting too emotional or crying or weeping or tearing up or making a blooper. Listen, this is my last assembly with you. I'm sorry we couldn't all be together in the gym because those were some of my favorite memories here at PRE. I want you all to know how very, very special this time has been for me. I have loved serving you as a learning community. I've loved playing with you and celebrating with you. And I care about every one of you. I thank you for this time. I thank you for the fun and the joy and the care. I want you to go out into this world and do good and wonderful things. Be kind to one another and take care of your school, take care of your school family, take care of your world. God bless.
Hello, Christopher Elementary. This is your Student Council President and the School Student Council. This month's character trait is grit and determination.
Grit means to stick through and follow through with it, never give up.
And determination means you're determined to finish your goal.
Determination also means that